My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Abarth 595. This vehicle has done just over 47,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on our screen we can access our radio, media, trip, smartphone integration and apps. We also have our sport mode just below, as well as our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.